Hey, and welcome again to this new video of tutorial of mastering Git and GitHub. So in this tutorial we will learn how to work with the Git repository from our local repository. So now after that we create this repository in GitHub, we want to work with it but in local or in our machine. We have two ways: either click on download zip and we download it and then work in it, or we will use clone, and in this video we will use clone. Clone is like a copy and paste. So let's copy this path or this URL. Now it's copied. Let's go to our git bash. Let's just make it clear. Let's empty dash clear. Yeah, that's it. Now let's close this demo project cg dash dash node dot dot. Now let's clone our new repository with git clone, and after that we pass no, not that, sorry for that, clear git clone, and we will copy this URL, copy, go to git and hit paste. Now let's click enter. It tells us that it's cloning into a website. Now it's clean. So now let's see with ls, and we see that our website or our repository was cloned successfully. So now let's go into that website or that new repository website. Let's see the file that are in it, ls, and we see that are the same file that we created in here, readme file and license. The git ignore, it's a hidden file, but let's see it, -el, and we see it here. It is, it's created it same way, and also it's in branch master because we have to get in it, because we initialize it in the Git repository. And let's see if it's connected with the Git repository. We will use the git remote -v, and we will see that it's connected with the protocol HTTPS. That's all for this video. See you